So here I have a Harley Davidson X90 engine from 1973. I'm going to be rebuilding this. Bought it from a guy up in Oregon who said it was rebuilt, but it's leaking oil and I'm not really trusting it. It looks like shit. So I'm going to rebuild it for you guys. See how nice we can make it. Obviously the side panel's already off. It's got a few issues. Clutch linkage looks like shit. I salvaged one from a different engine I took apart to use these cases on a different bike. But I'm going to use some of those pieces like this clutch linkage. We'll replace that. The oil filler cap's broken in there. It's got an old banjo that I'm going to replace. I believe I need to drain the oil first. Take this oil pump off. We're going to go deep. I have a gasket kit I bought a while back, so I'm going to use it. Already took the cover off. But let's get started. Definitely need to get the wheel out of there. I'll be back after I drain the wheel. Take two. Oil's drained. I think I'm going to start trying to get this out of here. And oops. Well, it went in. We'll retrieve that. To tell you the truth, I don't think I'm going to use this cover. I'm going to steal the old one from the other engine because they drilled a hole in this and this spring doesn't need to be here. That's a bunch of malarkey. Ooh. Oh. So I'm almost excited. These grommets are kind of hard to come by, but it's got a chunk out of it. Been looking for one of those, can't find it. Guess I should have left that tight to get that off. Guess I could have used better clippers for that. washer on that one, a little shorter. Looks like somebody's had that off before. Gasket that will need to be replaced. I think that's where it was leaking. We'll open that up too to see what kind of O-ring's in there. We'll worry about that later. Clean it up. And just because I don't think I need to take this off, but I will. Has an O-ring on it. Those are not factory. I'll be replacing those. Those can just go inside. Keep that on it so I know. Oh, all not original. Oh wow. Jeez. Get a tool for this. Yeah, I'll be right back. That's better. Looks like it was 7 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7. Pretty snug. Come on. Well, hate to do this, but like I'm missing one. Oh, I am. What a dummy. And it's the original screw. Looks like that hasn't come apart. Oops, 8. I think this will get it. I'm gonna replace it anyway, so. Eight. Oop. Oil was pretty clean. I had put it in there when I bought the engine. He told me it was empty and to put oil in it, so it was fresh and clean. I did start it. Looks like we lost some spring on that. That must go. Oh, it does that, it looks like. Make sure we're focused. Hope that goes on there. Seems about right. Don't let that spring pop out. Alright. Flat washer. Make sure we're focused. Flat washer. Spring. And all these are loose after that too. Pull that little stop out too. Oh, I see. There's a flat wash under there that slid out of the way too. Need to line that up if I want to get it back together. Looks like this has to come out. So let me get more tools here. Get it back. A red washer on it. That was the oil plug. Pretty chewed up. Might find another one or sand it down. There's the little shim. I think I'll make note of where that was originally when it popped off. I think it was somewhere around there. Take that back. That was that way. This was this way. Something like that. I'd buy that. Maybe one tooth more. Sure, that's an adjusting screw or something. Oh, whatever, those are the parts. Oops. Keep all that together. Don't lose that shim. Get in there close with my GoPro for a second. Actually, I'll pause this. I'll be right back. Fast forward to day 2. I had some trouble yesterday. Well, first off, I filmed the GoPro footage the wrong frame rate, so it's not matching my photo editor, and I'm not that great of an editor or videographer, so either way there's issues and I don't have that footage. But we have ran into issues. I can't get the primary drive gear off. My tool failed me. Looks like I have to chop that off and try to re-weld it again, clean it up, make my weld stronger, maybe even stronger bottom plates. But we ran into some drama. So stay tuned to part 2. My video's getting too long, so I gotta chop it up. Cheers. See you later.